they help her hold them because they're triangles.
Mommy,
Can you do it, Heidi? Here, color the box.
can we open the next one?
Color the box. Oh, you want to put them in the box?
Cool.
You're funny.
Yeah. Oh, they
Look at Heidi.
Can I try it with my
Do you want to
crayons?
color? Here.
Where's my...
They go in the box. You're funny, Heidi. Carter, can you show her her purse?
Yeah. Heidi, look at your purse.
Look at how pretty it is, Heidi.
Heidi, all of them are in there. Ah!
Good job. You put them all in there.
You want to put that in there?
Oh, now we're putting it back. Don't drop them like that, Carter. You could break them.
Oh, okay.
Can you hand me the dog?
Sure. Pluto away. It goes inside the purse.
Look at the doggy, Heidi.
Put this.
Oh, she's putting the crayons in the purse.
The dog needs to go in the purse. Let me put it
Heidi, look it.
Look it.
Look, Heidi.
This is how you hold your puppies.
Look,
In
Heidi.
a purse. In a purse, Mom. You need to hold it in the purse. For toys.
She is busy with those crayons.
Heidi, look.